To me, Viva means expressing joy, looking forward to the future.
What makes us different is we have a very bold mission, a strong purpose.
The literal term for Viva is long live. So we try to strive to make sure that our residents live that long and prosperous life that they strive to do.
The Pathway to Living experience is centered around an award-winning philosophy that values every aspect and stage of life. It focuses on a very profound sense of well-being. That ethos is summed up by the term Viva. It's a concept of appreciating life through a sense of inspiration, meaning, and purpose. It is at the forefront of everything Pathway does. Research tells us that people who continue to grow, prosper, and learn are those who lead passionate and purpose-filled lives. That is what Pathway to Living uniquely offers.
I think Pathway gives the residents a chance to live their best life by offering a wide variety of different programs and different interests.
Kaylee Johnston loves the senior living community where she works, Pathway to Living's Aspira Place in Lake Zurich, Illinois. And it's principally because her job is to bring out the best in the residents through a philosophy called Viva that strives to make every day of a person's life the best it can be, regardless of age or physical impairment.
For instance, if we had a resident who loved to horseback ride and they felt physically they could not do it anymore, we have done that before. We've taken residents horseback riding. So it's just a beautiful way to say, like, yes, you can live your life the way you truly intended to do so. It's not about disabilities, it's about the abilities that they can look towards. So we really strive to make sure that our residents feel like this is their home, and it's also a place where they can thrive.
For Pathway to Living, Viva is a research-driven culture that resonates with residents, families, and the community at large.
We created that mission to differentiate who we are, who do we want to be as an organization, how do we compete in the market today, and how will we continue to do that in the future. And having a bold mission, I think, certainly provides clarity. Where you live matters, and it should be no different than the changes that you've made in life when you moved from one setting to the next. And so moving into seniors housing, we believe should be a proactive approach of how you can live your best life.
The experiences that I have had with meeting people, with programs that I have been involved with, have been excellent. That isn't necessarily the case with a lot of places that are out there.
Viva is creating a strong incentive for residents and families to consider Pathway to Living communities at a time when the need for housing and services for the aging is only growing.
Medical science is really keeping us around and healthier a whole lot longer, so the population is going to be growing and growing over the next 5 to 15 years.
Residents like Virginia Swinberg saw her best years slipping away before she arrived at Aspira Place.
I mean, we went on trips with friends there and stuff, but here I can go out of my door and always find somebody to talk to, and they will be able to do the same thing. The biggest thing is vegetables. I do not like vegetables, and I'm eating a lot of vegetables now, which I never thought I'd do that, but other than that, I just try everything.
Viva challenges the staff and residents to try most anything, including overnight camp and even horseback riding.
We at the initial camp, which is about 11 years ago, I will tell you the only one we missed was last year in the pandemic, that the teams couldn't do it in any of our communities. It was amazing to see the smiles and the pleasure that residents were able to engage in things that they used to do earlier in their lives.
Today, creative providers like Pathway to Living must offer a full array of individualized services for seniors, whether they are in independent or assisted living settings or memory support. And they must be rewarding and stimulating both for team members and the residents for whom they have the honor to care. That's what Viva is all about.
Viva means to me that I can have a good life here. I can be happy, I can have friends, more than I've ever had in my life. And we all seem to like the same things, which is always good. And it's always the things they offer. I'm very content here. And Don't want to go anywhere else.